It's not very easy to take pictures of the kittens because they're so very wiggly. So we're just going to film them. Ah, there's one little tabby one. I've got another tabby one climbing up my shoulder. Excuse me. Come here. We want to look at you. Yeah, you. Another tabby one. Oh, you're so wiggly. Okay. And the last little tabby one. Oops, it's here. My little tiger. This is my little tiger. He's very moany and groany at feeding time. Oh, generally a bit of a wiggler. Okay. Now somewhere up my jumper. Oh, somewhere up my jumper. Oh, there's a little black one. My little batfink. Oh, look at you. You are such a little batfink. Yeah. Oh. It's okay, we don't like that, do we? We don't want to be on camera. Leave us alone. Okay. We're going to pop you all back into bed. Hang on. Oh, there's too many of you. And Blue's going to catch you. Let's pop you into bed. 1, 2. Oh, little black one. Yes. And 3 into bed. There we go. Bundle of kittens. It's not easy to be a kitten. One of these tabbies always goes to bed a rather circuitous route. Has to go all around the box first, squeaking, before I'll actually get into bed and go to sleep. Clumsy things. There we go.